school season again. It's so exciting. Everyone is shopping, planning, preparing, organizing for this new era of our lives. Although school can bring so much anxiety, stress, and just a bunch of other crazy emotions, it is still fun to romanticize it, go shopping for really cute back to school supplies, and of course add to our back to school wardrobe. I'm here to take one off of the other million things that are on your plate right now and give you the ultimate guide on how to master your back to school wardrobe. So without further ado, let's get into this. When planning and trying to organize the best back to school wardrobe for you guys, I came up with 4 different categories. Number 1, we have bottoms. Number 2 is tops. Number 3 is cover-ups, and number 4 is shoes. Starting strong with the bottoms, let's talk about the basic pants/jeans. A light wash pair of jeans and a dark wash pair of jeans. By securing these 2 washes of pants in your wardrobe, this will guarantee a perfect match for any tops, sweaters, button-ups, cardigans in your wardrobe, and will make it really easy to put together outfits in the morning, which we all desperately need. When it comes to these jeans, I recommend splurging on a really good, nice pair that will last the entire school year. Next, let's talk trousers. If you're looking for ways to elevate your outfit or really just spice them up and give it more of a preppier, put together feel, trousers are absolutely going to be your best friend. I recommend getting them in more of a basic or essential color like black, which is the 2 pairs that I have, or white, gray, or brown. Next, when it comes to bottoms, I feel like everybody, no matter what your style or aesthetic is, everyone needs a 1 pair of colorful pants and 1 pair of cream or white pants, whatever you prefer. When it comes to cream or white pants, white just automatically gives a more rich, elevated look to your outfit. When it comes to deciding what color you want to get in your colorful pair of pants, it's really important to look at your wardrobe that you already have at home and look at what colors you tend to gravitate to when shopping. For me, I tend to have lots of blues, greens, creams, pinks, and whites, and the occasional dark red or auburn. So for me, a forest green or dark green pair of pants will fit perfectly into my wardrobe and will go with a lot of the other tops that I already have in my wardrobe. Let's talk skirts. Now, these can be a very controversial topic when it comes to schools that are a lot more stricter on the dress code. I'm in university, so it's not as strict, but I know people who are in high school that can't wear super short skirts. If that's the case for you, I highly recommend getting into maxi skirts or even midi skirts. I recommend getting them in basic essential colors like this brown or this cream white. This one has little pink daisies on it, but it's not that noticeable, and it can blend in with any other top that I have. I also feel like it's really great to get some statement piece midi skirts. I really love this colorful midi skirt. It's dress code friendly, super cute, and can be the statement piece of your entire outfit. You can pair this with a white t-shirt, put your school bag, maybe a little cardigan, and you are absolutely good to go. If you're someone that is in college or university or doesn't have a very strict dress code, I highly recommend getting 2 different mini skirts. One that's a little bit more on the plaid or preppier side like this, or just has like a nice pattern that you enjoy or really like, and obviously a black mini skirt. This is really, really important. These will go with everything in your wardrobe. It is so universal. Now that we're done with category number 1, let's jump into category number 2, tops. Couldn't discuss tops without talking about the essential tops everybody needs in their wardrobe. I know you hear this all the time, it's so redundant, but it's also super, super important. So of course you need your basic white top. Get it in whatever size you prefer. If you like it more on the crop side, so above your belly button, or if you like it covering a bit of your belly button but not too much, or you can get one a bit longer. Next, I also recommend getting a basic navy blue top, a black one, and also of course a gray one. These 4 essential colors will be the backbone and foundation of almost all of your outfits, no matter what your style or aesthetic is. Also, same thing with the pants. I feel like everybody needs a colorful top in their wardrobe. As I said, look at your closet, see what colors you tend to gravitate towards. My pants were green, and of course my top is green. It's just a different shade, but this will still go with all the other items that I have in my wardrobe. Let's talk probably my favorite thing ever, graphic tees. Now, within the graphics tee topic, I feel like there's 2 subcategories. We have your baby tees, and then we actually have like your oversized graphic tees. You tend to lean towards more crop baby tees, keep it that way. But if you tend to lean towards more oversized graphic tees, you can also do that as well. Or you can be like me and love both of them. When it comes to baby tees, I love ones that have a lot more white overall and then have like a more colorful graphic tee in the middle, kind of like this one and this one, although this one has a little bit more color. This just keeps it really easy to still match with a lot of things in my wardrobe, but if it does have a little bit more color in the middle, easily go with my wardrobe, because as I said, I wear lots of green and blues, and this has blue right here, and this has some blue and navy blue in the middle. Now moving on to our oversized graphic tees, I have this black one right here, which literally goes with everything. I've thrifted this. Now let's talk dresses. I feel like this can be a very controversial topic for those who have a very strict dress code. If that's the case, I recommend going a little bit more longer on the length of your dresses, and also really becoming a master at layering your dresses. Now, just like everybody needs a black mini skirt, a black basic top, black pants, everybody needs black dress. This is going to be your bestie, your number 1. This is like the cat with 9 lives, because you can wear this like 9 million different types of ways. Everybody needs their black dress. They also need a statement dress. As I said before, make sure that you're getting a dress that is within the color scheme of your wardrobe to make planning and layering and styling styling this dress 10 times easier for yourself. Let's move on to category number 3. Probably my favorite category because of the first thing within this category, which is that I genuinely believe that the world is sleeping on vests, and I think that they shouldn't be. I think everyone needs to have a vest in their wardrobe, no matter what your style is. Now, the top 3 vests that I wear the most out of my little vest collection, and these are very essential and basic colors, is number 1, my beige cream vest, my black pinstripe vest, and my more newest addition, but I've worn this so many times, is my denim vest. I love pairing these with dresses. I love doing like a denim on denim look, graphic tees, or basic color tee. Again, the options with these are endless. Let's move on to button-ups. Everyone knows and hears so many times, just like you need a basic white t-shirt, you also need a basic white button-up. I prefer mine a bit more on the oversized side because I can layer with this. I can also wear this with dresses. I can also wear them by themselves and do like one button in the middle with a pair of jeans. Super like model off duty, like basic look. And also my dad button-ups. This is not for everyone, but I really love a good dad button-up. Pair these with like a white t-shirt underneath, some jeans, some shorts, a skirt. So cute. Now let's talk cardigans. They give you warmth when it gets a little bit more colder during the days, but I also feel like you can go a bit more out there with your cardigans. I love this oversized one that I got from Zara last year. It's a simple black and white, so it can go with a lot of other things. This cardigan, although a bit more on the colorful side, already matches a lot of things in my wardrobe that I have already, and it's just a really great layering piece to go over tops and things. Now when we're talking about more on the crop side cardigan, I have this cardigan that just has one button in the middle, which is really great if you want to show off the shirt that you have on the inside. And then the cardigan that I probably wear the most is this crop Zara cardigan. With so many things in my wardrobe, it's actually insane how many things I just throw this on with, and it just like matches instantly, which makes my life 10 times easier. Now, I cannot promise you the ultimate guide of a back to school wardrobe without talking about sweaters, because that is the comfiest thing that you could probably wear while also still being stylish. But that being said, when looking for more statement piece sweaters, make sure you figure out if you're more of a pullover hoodie girl, a zip up hoodie girl, or a crew neck person. If you're all 3, that's great. Buy all of them and just get them in different styles while still applying these rules I'm about to talk about. Me, I'm more of a crew neck girl, and I love getting my crew necks in super like basic colors like this gray, and then having like either a statement saying in the middle or a graphic tee in the middle. For me, I love this sweater because it's gray. It has this little navy blue lining, which is I think is just a really cute touch, and then it says Abercrombie in the middle. This immediately beautiful with a pair of light wash, dark wash jeans, shorts, a mini skirt. This can also be paired over a dress. Option endless with this sweater. And finally, in the cover-ups category, we have your jackets. Now, I only have 2 on here. I have one which is a leather jacket. This is such an essential piece to have in your wardrobe. I thrifted mine. I prefer mine a lot more oversized. A leather jacket is also just a very stylish and chic piece to have in your wardrobe, and once you have one in your wardrobe, you probably will never stop wearing it because it's just so amazing. A jacket that I really recommend you having, a statement piece jacket, one that's a little bit more colorful. Of course, this one is green because it'll go with everything else in my wardrobe. Now, shoes are a lot more on the pricier side, so I definitely recommend building up your shoe wardrobe, but I'm gonna list like about 5 to 4 shoes that I think are really great to have for school to make sure that you're hitting all the marks. So of course, we have some black Converse. These are such a classic shoe that almost everyone buys for back to school. I like a good black because they go with everything, and white will get too dirty very easily. These will go with everything. It already goes with this outfit right here, and it's just a really great back to school essential to have. So next, I have a pair of loafers. I'll be wearing these a lot. These will go really nice with your trousers that I showed before. Mini skirts. These will really give your outfits more of a chic look. We also have the classic platform dogs. So good. Takes a bit to break in, but once you do, they're such a good essential shoe to have in your wardrobe. Next, I think having a pair of white running shoes is also a really great thing to have. 90s inspired like white running shoes that look like you're getting ready for gym practice. They're super basic, and it just helps with like a nice pair of like mom jeans and a great crew neck with these shoes. So cute. Okay guys, that is the final category to my series. Thank you so much if you got to the end of this video. It really means a lot. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.